Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Brother DCP-L2620DW. Your efficient mono laser printer. You can print, copy, and scan. It's 3-in-1 printer. You can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network or connection using a USB cable. In terms of printing speed, you can print up to 32 pages per minute. Two-sided print up to 16 sides per minute. Two-line LCD control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi and USB. Brother Mobile Connect app, 128 MB internal memory, 250 sheet paper input tray. This printer will help you to experience seamless productivity whether at home or in the office. It's a 3-in-1 laser printer. It comes equipped with a variety of efficiency enhancing features that will save you valuable time, fast, flawless printing and scanning, automatic two-sided printing, generous paper tray capacity 250 sheets, and setting up is a breeze with Brother Mobile Connect app, enhancing you to print and scan from virtually any location. Key function: copy, print and scan. Maximum paper size is A4. Technology is laser. Connectivity USB and Wi-Fi connection. Printer functions: N-up printing, poster printing, ID printing, booklet printing, manual two-sided print, print profiles, watermark printing, reverse printing, print complete notice, toner save mode. Media size: standard tray 1, A4, letter, A5, A5 long edge, A6, executive, B5, A4 short, and manual feed slot. Envelope: DL envelope, C5 envelope, and its glass scanner up to A4. Copy resolution up to 600 by 600 dpi. Scan resolution 19,200 by 19,200 dpi. Color 1,200 by 1,200 dpi. Scan function: standard scan to Microsoft Office, searchable PDF, SharePoint, file, image, OCR, and email. It's compatible with Linux, Windows, Mac, Chromes, etc. And the toner uses TN2510 extra large or 2510 black, and extra large will give you up to 3,000 pages. TN2510 black normal will give you up to 1,200 pages. And also it uses Brother iPrint app, Brother Mobile Connect app for Android and iPad, iPhone, Brother iPrint and Scan, Apple APrint, Brother Print Service plugin, Mopria. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out and see what is inside. This is the toner unit. Power cable. This is the information pack. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. See what the scanner looks like. This is the paper tray, paper casket. Just need to adjust it. The USB port is on the right. The power cable is on the left. So connect the power cable, push it inside. So this is the screen. Switch this printer on and off from this button. This button is for you to start. This button is for you to stop the function or the job. This is the Wi-Fi button. This is 2-in-1 and ID copy and scan option. This button is scan. This button is for you to go back, and this is the menu. This is plus, up arrow, and down arrow, and this button is OK. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you.